sits right here. Baba, sit right here.
All right. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Say
Happy 4th of July. Happy 4th of July. Woo! Woo! Woo!
Go.
Woo! Happy 4th of July.
Wait, not ready yet. Happy 4th of July, everyone, on YouTube.
Happy 4th of July on YouTube.
Everyone on YouTube.
Everybody on YouTube. Baba, did you know I'm actually now finally a YouTuber and a TikToker?
Really?
Yeah, I do TikToks and YouTubes.
Okay.
It just looks like.
Well, I'm making a video for YouTube.
Go ahead, do it in Skype.
Say
Woo!
woo!
Woo! Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th of July Day! Woo! Here comes another one.
No, that was it out of that one.
I'm saying here comes another
New Westbound video coming out soon with Eli in it, too.
Right.
Yee Eli. That's his nickname now.
Yeah, that's my nickname. Soon I'm going to change my original name on Roblox.
Alright.
I know what it's going to be.
But anyway, we'll make a firework video on Firework Playground.
Here comes another one. Woo! Whoa! Happy 4th of July, everybody! Happy 4th of July, everyone! Woo!
Damn.
Why did you do the pond? Someone didn't hit me because I have no shoes on right now. Two hit me. Ow.
Damn.
I don't know why it went like that. Two went in the pond, two went in the pond also.
Yeah.
Yeah. Even one hit my toe.
No, none of them came over here.
Happy 4th of July, everybody.
Yeah.
Happy 4th of July. And next time, we're going to make a video of me and my brother in Westbound.
Yeah.
And me.
Westbound and Firework Playground.
Right.
Probably come out tomorrow.
Can I do a do?
Okay.
There's this new game on Roblox, and it's called. Here comes another one.
No, not yet.
And it's called Firework Simulator. Woo. That was not that cool.
No, not really, but it was pretty.
Yeah, it was pretty. But it was not cool.
No.
It's not that cool. Here comes a cool one. I bet the last one's going to be the biggest one. And if it comes to us, she said get somewhere.
Right.
When it comes to me, I'm going to go to house. I'm going to stay here until it hits my toe. And my face and everybody.
I have to see when we can make the Westbound video and the firework one.
Happy 4th of July, everybody! Happy 4th of July, everyone! By the way, I'm 7 now.
I know.
Tell them I'm 7 now.
Eli is 7.
Gotta yell it out. Tell them that I'm 5. I'm 7 now. I'm 5. And my
Okay.
brother is 14.
Well, I think some of them know it.
Not all. I already know you're 14.
Hey, when we get 100 subscribers, we're going to do a live stream at 50.
Can I do it?
Well, whenever.
Hey, Baba. On my first YouTube show, there was this girl that when she wakes up, she will go to her phone and watch my videos all the time. And yours videos.
Okay.
And guess how many likes she gave me?
I'll tell your friends at school.
And guess how many likes
Oh,
he
here they
gave me?
go.
Okay, but guess how many likes he gave me?
How many?
1,000.
Really?
Yeah! Woo! Happy 4th of July, everyone! Happy 4th of July, everybody! I said everyone.
Pop.
You can say anyone or everyone.
Because I'm making a YouTube video for my viewers.
Can I say hi to them?
Say hi.
Hi, viewers. Hi. Can I?
Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, that
You
was
must
it.
say hi, viewers. What? You must say hi, viewers.
Hi, viewers.
Hi, viewers. This is me and my brother. And these are my cousins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we'll do a face reveal at 100 subscribers.
Yeah. Yeah, with
At
all
100
three of us.
subscribers, we
With
do a
all
face
three
reveal.
of us.
Yep.
Yeah, but when we get 100 subscribers, we do a face reveal.
Like,
Yep.
with all three of my cousins.
With
I mean,
all
with
three
my
of
cousins.
us.
Okay.
Even you're my
Get ready.
cousin. All of you.
Can I get in front of the camera to say hi?
It's too dark. It won't pick up.
Can you see my hand?
No. It's too dark. Oh. I wish I had a better camera.
Right.
Screamers!
Happy 4th of July!
Quit.
I forgot I didn't say it.
Mm.
When will you stop the video?
Whenever we're done.
Oh yeah, that'd be a good idea. Your iPad might be
We're
good.
go- After we're done with the video, we're going to do this after.
No, we're not.
Yes, we
No,
will.
we'll do face reveal at 100.
When we get 100 subscribers.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Face reveal
Well, I
at
already got it.
Face reveal at 100 subscribers. Remember that,
I
guys.
already got it.
Okay.
I want to go see what.
No.
Did you,
You gotta
Eli?
stay up here.
I already got 100 subscribers.
I got way more.
50 subscribers. We're going live.
Guess how many subscribers and likes I got?
How many?
I got 100 likes.
I got 1 million likes.
I got 100 likes.
And guess how? And I got of subscribers
Play button.
6 million.
Okay. What?
Can you give me some feet? Eli
Huh?
can hold the tablet.
I'm filming it right now. Uh-oh. Eli, get up here. Get in front of the camera when it lights up. Oh, never mind.
I can't even see where the camera is. Is it right here?
I don't know.
I'm right here and you can't even see me.
I can see you. Alright, move out of the way.
Oh, I want to show them my face.
At 100 subscribers, we will.
Well, I'm going to just show them half of my face.
Guys, look up there.
I'm just going to show them this half right here.
Alright, get ready. They're about to go off.
Not going to show them my full face. I'm just going to show them half of my face.
Okay. Tell your friends at school to subscribe too.
So,
I'll give you a
I'm
pay.
going to tell my friends at school to
All right.
I
subscribe
already
to.
asked them that, and they all did.
I'll give you a piece of paper. Get ready.
Like and subscribe.
Hey,
Oh,
like
damn.
and subscribe. Like and subscribe, everybody.
Me, like and subscribe, my friends.
Did they see? Did they see my face?
I don't think it was
I
bright
said
enough.
like and subscribe, my friend.
Don't need to say friend.
They're my friends at school.
Don't stop playing friend.
Hold on.
After this firework,
After
No,
that part,
not right now.
after that part,
Until they're done.
we're going to-
Till they're done, okay?
after this one and the other one and the other one And the other one,
There's still a few more to go.
there's a few more to go. Why?
I
And
wanna
it's
see
probably
the
gonna
biggest
come
one.
right towards my face. I'm pretty sure. And if it hits my face, I'm the one in the house.
Okay.
Well, if it goes in the house, I'm probably gonna smack
It
myself.
can't go in the house.
115.
It can't go in the house.
Like and subscribe if I to my
Like and subscribe, and we show you our faces
At
yeah.
at 1,000 subscribers.
No, at 100.
Like and subscribe so we can
Now let's do
show you our
1,000.
face.
All right, get ready.
Here it comes.
Like and
Oh,
subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Yep, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this,
Right.
especially outdoor videos.
Right. And maybe even make a which one?
A what?
A which one?
A which one?
No, like us doing it, like us playing, you know,
Oh,
Bigfoot.
oh, okay.
That'd be a good one, right?
Roblox in real life.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Since Bigfoot's big,
All right.
he's gonna be the Bigfoot.
Well, we
I
need a
got sniper.
costume.
I want to shoot Bigfoot. Oh.
Get some.
We can just act like we're Bigfoot with our clothes.
Hey
Yeah.
guys, Nick, if you
Like and subscribe so you can see those fireworks, and so you can see me.
See the fireworks next year. Yeah.
And like
let me
and
talk.
subscribe so you can see me.
They're ready.
like and subscribe,
So you can see Dimitri.
no us. They don't want to see you.
Yes, I do.
They don't want to just see you. They
Well,
want to see all three of us.
Me.
we'll try to make a westbound video tomorrow or something. I have
I'm
to.
gonna go to Westbound.
Wait, come here.
I'm gonna go make my own video. Bye.
Come here. Eli.
One hit me in the eyeball.
So this video probably be posted tomorrow.
I'm done with my green.
Today's 4th of July, ain't it? Yep.
Today's 4th of July, so you might
Get ready.
want to get ready for fireworks. Like and subscribe, and we would do a Westbound video.
Yep.
Yeah, with all three of us.
Alright, I'll be back with a part 2, y'all, because I can't get the video too long. So,
Right.
be back.